This is Music Video Recorder, and what it does is it renders a music video similar to the Trap Nation style. You've probably seen a video on YouTube similar to this style here, and it renders it and then it automatically uploads it to YouTube. The other nice feature of it is it automatically imports the music from SoundCloud. So all you have to do is go pick a SoundCloud song. I'm going to go ahead and click on one like this. So just copy the SoundCloud URL and paste that here into song URL, and I'm going to click import. Now what it does when you click import is it downloads the MP3 from SoundCloud, and it downloads the artwork file, and it brings the artwork in here, and of course it brings we can see that this one was here, so we could see that it downloaded the MP3 file as well as the artwork file from SoundCloud. So now we have those files in the project. We could press play and we could see how the video is going to look. And it puts the genre up here, artist name, song name. You can modify this how you want. This is just the demo. Alright, so I can see everything looks good. I'm going to go back to the music video recorder. And since we're done importing, I'm going to go ahead and collapse SoundCloud import and go through these one by one. Now we have song data. This just covers the genre, song title, artist name, how long it is, and the song artwork. This was all pulled in from SoundCloud automatically. And it populates the recorder settings as well. It sets the video length to however long the song is. I'm going to change this to 6 seconds just for the purposes of this tutorial, so it renders a quick video. 30 frames a second. We can change the output file name in 1920 by 1080. And the next section here is the YouTube upload settings. Once the render is done, do you want it to automatically upload to YouTube? So yes, we want to do that. We just want a one-click button, download it from SoundCloud, render the video, and upload it to YouTube. So we could set the video title or change it. This has already been populated when we imported the song from SoundCloud. It set it to the same exact title that was here on SoundCloud, as well as added the artist name to it. And it also put in this description, thanks for listening to, and then it puts the song name by artist name. And then it says, please follow on SoundCloud, and it links over to the song. Of course, that links to right here. So we could also set the privacy, unlisted, private, public, and we can add tags. Maybe we don't want some of these tags, and some of these are duplicates because I've clicked this multiple times. But by default, what it does is it just imports. It'll make a tag for the genre, the artist, as well as the song name. And you can add additional tags here. So we have the ability to fully customize the YouTube video right here before we even render the video. So now that I've set all the YouTube upload settings, I'm ready to render the video. So I say upload to YouTube is true. So I'm going to click render. And we're going to see Unity's going to go through. Now it's going to be a little bit slower, of course, because it's rendering the video at this point. But it is only 6 seconds long, so it should be fairly quick. And then we're going to see it upload to YouTube. So we can see here it says starting and uploading. And it's telling us how many bytes are sent down here in the console. So right now it's in the process of uploading to YouTube. It should be pretty quick because it's a small video file, and if we want to locate that video file, we're going to right click to show in Explorer and go to renders. And here's the one that just got rendered. And by this time we should have a completed upload in YouTube. So let's go over to Creator Studio in YouTube and see where our song's at. Okay, so here I am in YouTube Creator Studio. Here's some of my tests, but you can see the one that I just did. And it's set the song name, description, it's set the tags. It's also set to unlisted, just like we had set it over in Unity. And if we, if this was set to public, this video would be live on YouTube with just one, basically just one click from Unity. So this is Music Video Recorder. It's meant to make these music videos for YouTube, similar to, how you find them over here. Except, the traditional workflow here is download the song manually from SoundCloud, import it into Adobe After Effects, render the video, go get the file, upload it to YouTube, set the title description tags manually. All that process now is automated. It basically can happen with one click. You just decide what song you want to play on SoundCloud. Copy that URL, bring it over here into the SoundCloud import that song, click render video, and next thing you know, you have it on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out, and may you have 1 million subscribers. See you guys soon.